Right. Let's talk about bearing now. Now, bearing is very important because why bearing must be in 3 digit? Because in telling from person A to B, it cannot be hey 30 degree, you will die. Because when I transmit over, the person will hear as 1 3. The person will hear as three what? Then if I imagine I comms you three lah three, then there'll be a lot of confusion. So along international standard, all must be 3 digit, and the 3 digit must be read out the number, the number, the number. So for example, 30 is not 30, no, it's 030. So the person will hear the. He must receive three numbers.
Wait, isn't it 300?
300 is 300 degree lah, huh? Yes.
I thought
Yes.
it's got the decimal one.
No. So it must be 3 digit, and this 3 digit is only the first number before the decimal point. So for example, if I have a decimal point, can you highlight this? This is actually 4 numbers, right? But it's 3 digit, 3 whole number, then point, then the number behind. Okay? So in communication, you always say 075.8. So the person will hear 075, also 3 numbers. 3 whole numbers. Okay? So you must understand the rationale of using 3 digit. Otherwise, you ask me, sure, this one is 4 digit, why like that? Actually, it's not. So let's say it's 214.5, so you'll be 214.5. What am I doing? Percentage. Okay. Example, if it's 5 degree, right? So you'll be 005.1 degree, or 005.0 degree, or 005 degree. You get the idea? So it's always 3 digit. Now next, it's always measured in degrees, so don't tell me convert to radian, the person will go haywire. It's always with respect to north, so this is how we learn, Rachel. And it's always measured in clockwise. Don't know, look at the exam clock above you. So clockwise means like that. There's always an exam clock above you. So look at the clock, clockwise means. No lah, I mean your exam got the clock, right? The clock removed already. Right. Now next, I'm going to show you 3 steps. Up till now, some Set 4 students are still unable to draw bearing. So I'm going to show you 3 steps very clearly. Step number 1, always join the line. Join the line A to B. Now the question is this. The question in exam is this. Calculate the bearing of B from A. Can you highlight the question? The question is this. Exam, the question asks you, calculate the bearing of B from A. This is 2 marks. Step number 1. You see the word, Charlene? You see the word B and A? First step, join A and B. Join A and B. Second step, B from A means you will draw north from A. You understand? So I write something here. So you will draw north from A. Students who don't listen to this clearly, they will choose their favorite alphabet. They will maybe draw the north from B. Then they'll get the whole question wrong. So you must draw the north from A. So always from A. So from A. So you draw at A. So draw at A. Now let me show you how it looks like. First, I have these two. First, I will take a ruler. I will join. Ruler, straight line. Then I will draw a north at A. Draw a north at A. So I draw an arrow. So arrow means it's a north arrow. Then I will measure the reading of the north and A clockwise to AB. So this is the bearing. This is the bearing. Yes, you need projector. Now, how do you measure projector from here? Very simple. I will take a projector. I will read this reading. Then I will take 360 degree minus the red color reading. Make sense? Make sense? Because your projector is semicircle only. Alright? And let's talk about projector a bit. Because this is a history and SS. History and geography class. Geography and literature, right? History and geog. Okay, history and geog. So geography no problem. But history student maybe we revise a bit. This is 0. then all the way here is 180. But you look at your protractor again, there is another scale that says 0 all the way here to 180. So make sure you know how to read your protractor correctly. Yeah? Later I'll come to you and then we talk. But for math purposes, we seldom measure in bearing. But we will measure in construction, another topic. Remember the perpendicular bisector, that one? Angle bisector, that one? We will use it there. So let's come back here. So can you measure now using a protractor, Matthew? And tell me the bearing of B from A. Everyone else do the same. Oh, no project. Piang. Okay. So the first four answer, please check 90, 180, 270, 360. The answer here is 240. Can I go through A with you? Part 1 with you. Shh. Everyone look up the screen. Last one to look up is... Last one to look up is Matthew. Please look up, Vaish. Okay, no more measuring. Now, I quickly go through the 3 steps. This is why I say people get confused because they don't follow the instructions. Step number 1, A from O. I will join A and O together. Step number 2, I will draw north at O. It's already drawn for you. Step 3, measure from north to the line. Answer is 070. So don't tell me, teacher, 20 what? Teacher, 340 what? Teacher, whatever. You follow now? Next, I'm going to erase this again. I'm going to ask you the part 2 and so on. Can you all try the again? Now I will use a different color. I will use... Now, other than one person, anyone else cannot do the bearing yet. Only one. Mingyuan, tell me the first step. Join. No. First step is look at the alphabet. B-O. B-O. So join B and O. So join B and O. Now why I so silly? Why I want to ask you to join B and O? Because on this paper, they are all together 8 different lines. So if you don't join, you can't see. Second step, draw north at where? Where? O or B? Wrong. You see, you choose your favorite alphabet. They say from O. So you must draw the north at O. So draw the north at O. Done. Step 2. Step 3. Measure from where? From north or from OB? Wrong. From north. From north. Clockwise or anti-clockwise? Clockwise. This one. So how to get this? And then I look. If one straight line is 180 and this is 25, I will take 180 minus 25. Therefore, I got 155. Follow? Good. Jia Xuan, C and O. C and O. What line do you join? What 2 points do you join? No, I want which 2 points. For example, B from O means I join OB. C from O means I join OC. I join OC. Second step, I will draw north at O or at C. At O. I will draw the north at O. It's already drawn for you. Third step, I will measure from north or from OC. Wrong. From north. You always measure from north, clockwise or anti-clockwise? Clockwise. So it's like that. Understand? So how do I calculate this? Because I know the this is 90, this is 90, this is 90. So 3/4 is 270. So I will take 270 minus 40.5. Do you follow? Okay? Right, part 4, who cannot? Gerald, what is the next answer? Don't measure, please. Calculate, please. Matthew is talking. What is A answer?
I got 050.
050. B?
I got 328 degree.
328. C?
I don't know how to do.
Can you help me, Xinghui? O from A, which two lines do I join? Good, O and A. Where do I draw my north arrow? At A, very good. So you draw a north here. No more measuring, it's just calculation. Now, from here, I want you to recap certain property here. Here we go. Property number 1. Can everyone draw this on a paper? If I have two pairs of parallel line, and I know north and north is always parallel line, what can you tell me about the two angle inside?
180.
They add up to be 180. So can you write down angle A plus angle B equals to 180? And what is the reason? Interior angle. Thank you. Okay, so this is one recap of angle that you need to know. Otherwise, you have a problem doing this kind of question. Number 2, let's say I got one parallel, and this is your favorite, right? And I say this angle A and angle B is the same. What is the reason? Alternate angle. Is that okay? Now, third one, let's do corresponding then. Corresponding means I have the same angle. I have the same, let me just draw the same thing. But this angle is equals to this angle. So I say angle A is equals to angle B. This is your corresponding. Can you copy these three down? At least you have a head start. Like later on, all the angle thing you can solve. Let me try and zoom in. And stop parroting me. Matthew.
Alright.
Stop repeating what I say.
Oh, so that's how you get. You're wrong.
Okay, all done with the three things? Okay. Right. So, I continue. It's recording. Right, Xinghui, can you help me? Can you help me? Last one for part C. Where do I start to measure? Is it from north or from OA? Wrong. From north. So you don't know because I never write. From north, from north. Do you measure clockwise or anti-clockwise? Clockwise. Is it the bigger angle or the smaller angle? Very good. So this is the angle that you are looking at. But there are a few steps you need to do. Step number 1, you need to, so I show you the steps. So for C, what you need to do is you need to find this angle first. Am I correct? So how to find this angle? I will take, okay, listen. The N there is not an alphabet to use. Jing Feng, what did I say? Jing Feng, sit here.
No. He's telling me.
Oh, okay. Well, see,
Don't lie.
best buddy. Jing Feng, what I say is the north, the N there is not an alphabet to use. North is just a. North is the direction, north, south, east, west. So it's not alphabet to use. So if you want to use alphabet, my suggestion is put a cross there and put there maybe D. Put a cross here and put there E. Then now you are able to list all the angle. So I will start with this. Angle DOA equals to 90 degree minus 40 degree equals to 50 degree. Something like that. Get the idea? So don't use N. N is not a point for you to use. Then next, I want to find this angle, right? So I'll write angle OAE equals to 180 minus 50 equals to 140. If you really want to write, then you write interior angle. Then last step, I will take angle, sorry, 130. Then I will take angle, so I write bearing, I write the bearing. So bearing, so Rachel asks, should you write bearing? Yes, yes you should. Bearing of O from A, I will take 360 minus 130. And what's the answer? 230 degree. So this is the answer. You okay with the presentation? Now before you ask question, there are many ways to find this angle. As long as you get 230, you are okay.
Huh?
There are many ways.
You just tried to do it again.
No, you need to show working, but you need to show proper working. Now let me show you one way. One way is you can cut this into a triangle, and then you find this angle, and then you say 180 plus that angle also can, which is shorter. Do you get the idea? Yeah. Yes. Uh, one way is you can find this green color angle. How to find this green color angle? I take 180 minus 90 minus 40. Then you write that. If you don't want reason, you write sum of angle in a triangle. I take 180 plus 50, I also get 230. Okay? I purposely show you the longer way. So there are many ways to show it. Yeah? So don't get so upset if my way is different from yours. Can you tell me the answer of part D? Next person. Is it a must write the angle? No, because usually this one we don't require you to write reason. Okay. Ming Yuan, what's the answer for D? Okay, next one. See, I think still solving. Charlene, what's the answer for D? 148. Can I pause the screen here and